Hello everyone and thank you for tuning in. In this video today, we'll be going over how to use the popular live streaming app Twitch. For those unaware of what Twitch is, it was first introduced in 2011 and is a subsidiary of Amazon. Twitch allows you to watch all of your favorite video games live streamed from people across the world. Now there are two ways to access Twitch. There is a desktop version and a mobile application. However, for our purposes today, we will be using the desktop version, and later on in the video, I will go over the benefits of the desktop version as compared to the mobile version. To access Twitch, first open up your internet application and go to www.twitch.tv. The first thing a new user is going to want to do is create an account by simply clicking the Sign Up button. However, I already have an account and will be showing the many features Twitch offers through my account. Now, once logged in, the Twitch homepage may seem very overwhelming, but it is rather easy to use and navigate. If you are unsure of which video game you would like to watch, click on the Browse tab. Here, you can see Twitch's most popular games that people are currently viewing. In our video today, we will be looking at the game Fortnite. Fortnite is a popular battle royale game that was first available to play in September 2017, and since then has been Twitch's most consistently viewed game. To put into perspective of how popular Fortnite is, Epic Games, the developers of Fortnite, tweeted out that in August 2018, Fortnite had 78.3 million players worldwide.
I agree.
So you out here playing ball?
Wait, there were people at the house with it from.
There's people still fighting right
Oh,
here.
let's knock him down.
Your cat's crying.
You want to go to the bottom? Knock him down. There's cats. Wait, what?
Feed it later. PETA!
Yeah, that's a lot to.
Come on, start shooting it down. Let's do this.
Oh my god, that's...
If you streamer you are currently watching, make sure to click the following button, which is right here. This will then appear in your following sidebar and you'll be notified each time that streamer goes live. It is important to note that having a Twitch account means you can follow an unlimited number of streamers. However, if you're enjoying a particular streamer so much and wish to further interact with the streamer, you can do so by subscribing to that streamer. A subscription is a paid membership to that streamer and in return gives you, the subscriber, certain perks or benefits. Now, there are two ways to get a subscription. Users may either pay a low monthly fee of $5 or subscribe for free with Twitch Prime. The Twitch Prime emote is available right here. Twitch Prime is a unique service that is offered through Amazon. If a Twitch user has Amazon Prime, the user's Twitch account can be linked to their Amazon account and in return are given one free monthly subscription. However, it is important to note that the Twitch Prime subscription does not automatically renew, and therefore, at the end of the month, you will have to manually either renew to that same streamer or choose another streamer. I will be showing how a subscription works as I used my Twitch Prime subscription on streamer Nick Merckx. Because I'm a subscriber to Nick's channel, this means I can chat in his subscriber only chat. So let's send a message. Hey guys, this is a project for school. Everyone say hi to Professor Grant. And then you'll see my message right here. The cool aspect of Twitch is that if you're in a subscriber's chat and there's a member of the chat that you really connect with, you can send this person a friend request. Just to show how this works, we can view my friends right here. This person right here is my friend Shane from back home. We are friends on Twitch, and if I ever want to get in touch with him through the Twitch app, I can whisper him, which is essentially a direct message. As you can see, we've already shared a direct message earlier today. I said, hey Shane, Fortnite tonight. He responded, so down, I'll see you, tilted brother. Lastly, I'd like to talk about how the desktop version differs from the mobile application. The desktop app provides a much more in-depth experience and is all in real time, as when a user is watching Twitch through the mobile application, the stream is actually on a delay, and in fact you are a few seconds behind the current live stream. The mobile version also does not offer users the chance to subscribe, as there is no subscribe button. Users would in fact have to log out of the Twitch app and then proceed to access Twitch through Safari on their phone. In my personal opinion, I recommend using the desktop version as it is an easier interface. The only true perk to the mobile app is that you can watch on the go. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy learning how Twitch works and what a great app it really is.